Welcome to this Canva tutorial where I will show you how to save your designs as JPG files. To save as a JPG, click on the Share icon in the upper right corner. Then select Download from the options. In the Download menu, choose JPG from the file types available. You can adjust the size and quality of the JPG. Increase the quality to 100 for the best resolution, but keep in mind that it may result in a larger file size. You can also adjust the document size by specifying the scaling factor. Once you've set your preferences, you can save these settings for future downloads. Click Download to save your design as a JPG file to your Downloads folder. That's how easy it is to save or download your Canva design as a JPG.